Okay, so I'm gonna give you like the unofficial tour of my RV. 3, 2, 1. Because it's just not ready for you to see the final version yet, and plus I'm working on a lot of fun stuff. So this is obviously the cab, so this is where you drive, and those seats will flip around. You can hang out and turn them around. You can lie down. This is my bed, but you can't see it because it's up there, but it folds down into a bed. And maybe I'll do like a time lapse and show like a better version of this. My table, I got a bunch of stuff because I just went to the dollar store and I'm actually trying to move in here more full time because it's empty. I was trying to sell it. For those of you that listen to my other vlogs, I got a TV over there, a window. There's windows all in here, but they're actually closed up because I put this stuff in the windows because of heat and air, and if you're an RVer, you'll know why that's there. This is my fridge, and the really cool thing about my fridge is that it runs off of solar power. So all of these lights in here right now actually run off of solar power. This is my closet. Microwave. Really cool thing about this microwave is that it does a whole bunch of stuff. So I can convect, I can microwave, and I can grill. And it saves energy and it's high efficiency. And then you have my bathroom. And there's a door that goes on here. So you can see there's a bathroom door that goes there. That's my camera stand. This is my toilet. There's a toilet down there. It's the only really cool thing about this is that I have a porcelain toilet. And so that's pretty cool. And then, how I mentioned, this is winterized. That's that pink crap in the bottom. It's because when it's cold, I can't really use the water in here unless I'm in here full time. So that's why I don't get to be in here full time. There's a fan. Really cool thing about that is it's automatic and there's a remote for it. So it will release air and heat whenever there's dogs or whatever's going on. There's some other really cool stuff about it. But yeah, this is my RV. This is what I do in my free time. This is what I do in my free time when I'm not making videos. I'm usually hanging out or planning something for how I can hang out in my RV because I really love my RV, and it sucks that it's been winter time and I hadn't really been able to hang out in it because it's kind of cold. And when it's cold, there's water issues and it's just not fun. So. Especially if you don't live full time. If you don't live full time in your RV and there's water in it, you could bust the pipes. So that's why I can't live in here full time, is because of the pipes and stuff. So I'll be putting some more content out so you can check that out.